want to take your license plate off so that you have room to grab in here. So take those bolts out and use a 7mm socket and take these 2 screws out. This one only has 1. Take that out. And grab the whole light assembly with the wires. Grab the socket and just twist to the left and slide it out. Take the new light assembly, slide the socket in and twist to the right. And we'll slide it underneath there, just like the old one. And take the screws, get those started. And put the bolts in and tighten it down. Now you can put your license plate back on and put the screws back in.